Every stage of life brings different financial decisions. But even though we face common financial decisions, that doesn't mean we have the common knowledge to make good decisions. Whatever financial stage you're facing right now, you'll want to make a financial decision that fits your needs and helps you achieve your goals. That's why we created MyStages. Easily make more comfortable decisions with your money. Find your financial stage, click a topic, and start becoming a better financial consumer. If you're one of the tens of thousands of Florida public employees who is eligible for the DROP program, you probably have some questions about it and how it may affect your financial life. So here you are, you're in your mid-50s to 60s, and you're thinking about retirement and the DROP program. Is it for you? Let's start with the basics. What does DROP stand for? DROP stands for Deferred Retirement Option Program. The DROP program gives Florida employees who qualify for a pension the option to defer their retirement for up to 5 years. During those 5 years, you'll continue to work and continue to collect your salary, but you'll also be paid your pension. You get both. So, despite the name DROP, you're not dropping anything. It's actually a financial opportunity to add. Who qualifies for DROP? If you're a Florida public employee who qualifies for a normal pension through the Florida retirement system, you likely qualify for the DROP. Who should not participate in the DROP? There are 3 reasons someone would choose not to participate in DROP. 1. They can no longer work. 2. They no longer want to work in public service. 3. They are financially independent and no longer want to work. How does the DROP work? Traditionally, when you stopped working, your work income stopped and your pension income started. These 2 phases of your life, your working years and your retirement years, did not overlap. If you choose to participate in the DROP, you do not have to. Your working years and your retirement overlap for up to 5 years. DROP is a way to encourage experienced public employees with valuable skills to work for up to 5 more years. For those employees, it's a way to get more money for retirement while reducing the number of years your retirement money needs to last. Those are 2 important ways to boost your chances of retirement success. Will my retirement money last? Because you're officially retired, your pension is paid, but not to you, at least not yet. It's paid into the state trust fund in an interest-bearing account for you. That money is called your DROP money. The longer you participate in DROP, the more pension payments accumulate as DROP money for you. When you exit the DROP, which you may do at any time up to 5 years, and actually stop working as a public employee, 3 things happen. 1. Your paycheck stops. 2. Your pension starts to be paid directly to you. 3. Your DROP money is released to you. What will you use your DROP money for? Boost your retirement income? Pay off credit card, mortgage, or student loan debt? Make major home repairs? Do whatever you've been waiting and wanting to do? If you think the DROP may be of interest to you, you probably have more questions, including how much you might get. These questions and more are explored in video number 2.